Today I'm at the base of Mount Rainier on the Skyline Trail in the US. I'm at 7,000 feet and it's about 5 degrees outside. Don't go by the sun on my face. So, how do you keep warm in these extremely cold settings? As you know, the trick is to layer up. But what matters is what material are you going to layer up with? And this is what my video is going to be about. And this is where you're going to dislike me because it will go against what you already know. What keeps you warm is layers which trap air. A woolen sweater like this traps air. A fleece that I'm wearing like this traps air. You'll notice that the material is very coarse. So what you actually need is coarse material. Coarse material traps air within its weave, and that's what keeps the material and you warm. So what you need to do is you need to keep in mind that you have to wear coarse material, and that's why wool is so good. Don't go by the name like a merino wool or any other wool. Wool is wool and it traps air, and you need to get more of these. Now, so what happens is if it is extremely cold, so get 2 sweaters, maybe 3 sweaters, light sweaters like these, and wear them, or get your fleeces like these and wear them over, say, 2 sweaters, and you can be very, very cold. Does it mean that you shouldn't wear a jacket like this? No, of course, by all means wear a jacket like this, but keep them as your last layer. But frankly speaking, what's really going to keep you warm is this woolen sweater at the end of it. So this is Arjun from Indiahikes giving you the bad news, but also the good news that your old grandmother theory of wearing sweaters actually work, and the more you do them, because they are light in nature, you can carry plenty of them. You'll be warm as a toast.